Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, ScooterATVSales.com, Scooter City ATV Outlet. Wanted to show you our dirt bike lineup. We currently have in stock, ready for a new owner, the Apollo X18 4-stroke, 4-speed manual transmission. Then we have next to it is the Apollo DB16 4-stroke, single gear, fully automatic. Those of you who do not want to shift, that's the bike for you. Then we have next to it our TaoTao line. It's the 4-speed manual 4-stroke from TaoTao DB17, and right next to it we have the DB27 4-stroke, 4-speed manual transmission. So we got 4 bikes in stock. The X18 from Apollo, we have the X16 from Apollo, DB17 from TaoTao, and the DB27. We've got the Jeep Auto. We do have an Apollo Blazer 9 in stock, fully automatic with reverse for kids and youth. We have Boulders in stock, another Jeep in stock. We've got a lineup of Cheetahs in stock here, Skittle colors. Of course, we have our lineup of mopeds, 100 miles to the gallon. And we'll move over to our kids package deal helmets. We have these. They include gloves and goggles for $79. We have a variety of colors and graphic patterns on these helmets. So come down, get your kid a helmet. Definitely need some eye protection, hand protection, as well as head protection there when riding ATVs. Take a walk down this side. We do have our T-Forces, 125Ds in stock, of course more Boulders, and we just had an arrival of our kids DB20 dirt bikes. Currently they're being PDI'd. We've got 2 of them. We have a black. The black is sold, black and white. And then we have the orange color. These are fully automatic, 4-stroke with electric start dirt bikes. Super cool, super nice. I mean, cool graphics on them, great color, painted frames. We got Kyle and Adam doing the PDI on both bikes. Get electric start, so super easy to ride. Definitely great big beginner bike for kids. DB20 from TaoTao. Black and orange. Black is sold. We do have orange now in stock. So come down and check these bikes out. Stop by. We're here till 5 today, Tuesday through Friday. We are here 10 to 5, Saturday 11 to 3. Currently we're closed Sunday and Monday. Again, the address is 920 Matley Lane in Reno, number 6. Number is 775-856-3398. If you are out of the area, then check us out online at ScooterATVSales.com, ScooterATVSales.com. Or if you just need more spec information while at home before stopping by, check out that website as well. Again, 920 Matley Lane, number 6, right off of Mill Street, right next door to Momentum Martial Arts in Reno. All right, guys, we'll see you soon.